a hot Turkish spiced turkey breast sandwich. So we're gonna kind of do a mashup of a classic diner sandwich and a great Turkish spice blend. We're going to make enough Turkish spice to almost fill a mason jar. About a cup or so is what you're gonna end up with, a little bit over actually. And we are going to use a quarter of a cup spicing up our boneless turkey breast. This is a turkey breast, of course, our 2 lobes. This is 1/2, 2.5 to 3 pounds. So boneless turkey breast just from the butcher, right? You bring it home, salt and pepper, and I put it on a wire rack inside a lined baking sheet for easy cleanup. And we're going to use about a quarter of a cup of spice on both our tots and the turkey breast itself. So this can stay in the pantry for months as long as it's in a cool, dry space. We use a lot of paprika, smoked and sweet. Pimenton is smoked sweet paprika. Paprika is, of course, not smoked. And a little hot paprika, or you can use chili powder. Moving along, we also have turmeric, which adds to the color and depth of flavor, makes it really earthy. And, of course, cumin. Our dried herbs, mint, cilantro, or parsley, if you don't groove on fresh or dried coriander, and dill. I love dill. Back here, your usual suspects, onion and garlic, granulated onion and garlic, and my secret ingredient that I love, 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 smoked ground cinnamon. Yeah, just a little, just a good pinch. It's so good. And a tiny little sprinkle of sugar. Take a little sprinkle of sugar and kind of anything kind of gets it going. So we're going to liberally season both sides of the turkey. I already seasoned both sides with salt and pepper as well. Now we're going to get it in a 325 oven until it reaches 160 to 165. Keep an eye on it. It should take 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how large the piece of breast you have is. And when he comes out, do not carve the turkey immediately. I let him rest a good 15, 20 minutes when he's done. I already have one working in the back. It's going to come out any second. I've got this oven on 425 for the tots. So we're going to throw these into our 425-degree oven and let them go until they're super crispy. Hit them with a little salt and our Turkish spice. So to build the sandwiches, you can use full-fat yogurt or sour cream. I have sour cream here. We're just making like your basic Russian dressing, Thousand Island, whatever you call it. A little ketchup, like a third of a cup to a 3/4 of a cup of the tangy base of your choice, the yogurt or the sour cream. Then we're going to add 3 fat spoonfuls of pickle relish. And then we're going to stand up to the flavor of the Turkish spice blend by adding some Sriracha. A little salt and pepper, over the shoulder for luck. There we go. Mix that together. So down here, we have 1 jar from the refrigerated section of the store of really good quality sauerkraut. This one came with allspice and caraway already in it. It was missing cumin. So I'm going to add a little cumin. So when it comes to the bread, I like a seeded rye. You can use marble, wheat, white. I can't see you, whatever you want, groovy. But I'm going to take the bread and put 1 thinly buttered side, so softened butter, thin layer of butter on each piece of bread, but only on one side, buttered sides out. I like both sides dressed, but I start by dressing one side with our special sauce. Then we're going to take turkey. No! Our cheese. So we're going to do a little bit of easy melty so that when you pull it apart, it looks gooey gooey. And then Swiss. And again, you can build this however you like. I'm just saying, this is my math. And then the inside, the unbuttered side, with a little more sauce, edge to edge. Extra crispy tots. Get them while they're hot. And now we're going to add some Turkish spice that we made today to go with that. Here's our Turkish spiced hot turkey sandwich. We made a Rachel, a turkey Reuben.